Hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, September the 3rd, 2022. Yeah, we have here one, well, actually two regular puzzles. The first one is a Sudoku Medium, and the second one is a Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. And if I have the spare time on Sunday, I will do this for you. But otherwise, I will skip this because we have also an additional with extra puzzles. In today's newspaper, we have a letter Sudoku, we have a 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Yeah, Saturday, September the 1st, 2022. And tectonic with the 4 stars, and a tectonic with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijfer block. And one binary puzzle. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. Okay, so today I will do first the medium Sudoku, then half of the puzzles in the additional. I will do this also today on Saturday, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. I will do the tectonic and the binary, and the rest of the puzzles tomorrow. Tectonic with 1 star, the letter Sudoku, and the 2-star Sudoku, and maybe if I have the spare time, the Samurai Sudoku. But it's tomorrow, yeah. Because tomorrow we don't receive any newspaper. So only on Saturday. Alright. Medium Sudoku. Let me zoom this and position the camera. Well, this one will be number, I believe, 5116. Yeah, 5116. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku, my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Well, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the third column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. All right. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here or there. Here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the row above, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. All right. Okay. Then. Let me see. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. All right, 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column. No 4 there. Oh! Apologies. My camera. Apologies. Well. Okay. I have not so good a tripod. This tripod. Let me zoom this out. Come on, zoom out. Zoom out. Yeah. Many troubles with the tripod. Okay. Well, let me continue now. We have a 4. Wait, the 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row be low. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Right. Okay. Then. How about the 2 in this row? The 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes here. 2 in this row, no 2 in that box, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the second row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. How about? Well, this box, in this column, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 5 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 7, 9, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. The 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179, and look, we have a 7 and a 9 in this row. So no 7, 9 in this box. The 7 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Alright, so we have a 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this middle column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 1. Digit number 3, number 1. All right. 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. Thinking. How about the number? 8, 9, 7. Yeah. 5 and 9. 6 and 5. 9. Okay. I'm still thinking. 9. 7. Come on. Where is the opening? 7, 1, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this first column, so no 7 in these two boxes here. 7 in this row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. All right. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 2. Oh, well, I cannot place the 9 here. Well, the 9 could be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So I need to wait here. Also 7 and a 9. Then. Let me see. 2 and the 8. No. Let me see. 8, 7, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 is missing. The 8 is missing. Yes. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in the middle column. So no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in the middle column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 missing. Oh, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this third column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. This box should be a 6. And that box should be an 8. Now, we have a 6 there in the first row. So, and I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6 and a 5. Now we have a 6 here in this row. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 5. 7 and 9, we have a 7 now in this row. So no 7 there, 7 should be there, and the 9 goes and there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and I've eliminated the 9. Oh, we already have a 3. Correction, this should be a 4. No, 4, 5, 6. This should be a 6. Correction. Alright. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yeah, the 5. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Here we have 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and the 8 are missing. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 17 minutes. So, well, could be faster. But I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.